Hello sexy, this is the extra video for our podcast, What a Good Podcast, and we're going to call it What a Good Video, because everything we do is ever so good. I've got Darling here, you know her, Ollie Millard. I've made loads of videos of this one. Look, it's Rob Dennis. Do you remember him from like when I used to film my life all the time, fucking falling over and stuff? Guys, we are playing this game called the Play-Doh Challenge.
Sorry everyone, who likes this table?
Can I say... so we are doing this challenge, and...
Ollie's busy making a penis. Looks great. I'm a bit concerned about what Zach's penis looks like.
Oh my god.
It's got that lid bit though, isn't it?
Lid! It's got a lid!
I haven't got any tools,
It
any
has got that
Play-Doh
lid.
tools.
You're right, darling, it's got that lid. The rules of the game are, in here...
Illusion!
Stop ruining the illusion of the tilted table! It's like on the Titanic. Oh no.
Oh no!
Right, listen.
Okay.
In here are 10 animals. We are going to pick one each time. We are going to have 20 seconds to make the animal that we saw. After 20 seconds, we have to show Darling our creation. If she guesses what it is, we get a point. If she can't guess what our creation is, we don't get a point. Nobody knows what's in the bowl, not even me or Rob or Darling, so we're going to start now. First one, let's go now.
Oh my god.
Well, do you know I can see this?
Oh, you see that?
Well, I think I did.
Rob.
I'm going to give you a little bit longer.
Yeah, 20 seconds is so
No, I don't need
short.
longer.
Come on. Concentrate, please.
20 seconds, darling, I tell you.
I can't do it.
I'm done.
Okay,
I'm done.
Okay.
Okay, this is mine. What is this? What is this? What is this?
Oh my god!
This is a mouse. Or a rat.
I thought we'd say that.
Mouse?
It's a rat.
Yeah, how did you do it?
I couldn't. I'm trying to make it bigger than a mouse, but I couldn't.
And this is obviously a rabbit.
That's correct!
It's a great rabbit.
Sloppy ears. So technically I got Rob's right.
Yeah, you said mine was a mouse, that's wrong. It was very close.
Oh, I'm actually crying.
Are you ready for some more?
1 point for Rob.
Are you ready? Are you ready?
Oh god. Oh god.
God's sake!
Oh god.
What the hell?
Come on, Rob. Come
I
on.
have no idea.
Rob needs encouragement.
I have no idea what I'm doing. I can't make it. Like, I
Listen,
can't make it.
can't. Come on. Okay, stop.
No.
I mean, I've been giving you longer. Stop, I said.
I
Stop.
just need to attach it.
I've done mine, it's really good.
It's not going
I mean, he's doing a different version. He's drawing them all flat. Is that a dog? Is it a dog?
Oh, I wish it was.
Not a dog.
It's a fox.
Jake was meant to get that one.
And like, I couldn't do it.
Iguana.
Rob, hold yours up for everyone.
God, it's not attached.
Jesus.
Lilies.
Darling, do you know what mine is?
Iguana.
No.
Is it a crocodile?
It's an alligator.
Alligator.
Okay.
Are we ready? Oh god.
Go. Oh.
Oh no.
I'm so
I
bad
have
at
no
pictures.
idea.
I'm so bad at pictures.
Come on, Rob.
Well, that's nice for Jake, isn't it?
I'm done. Rob, hurry up.
Okay.
What is it? Oh, I do know what it is. I do. It's actually not that bad.
A camel.
No.
It's an elephant, isn't it?
No! It was really exciting.
I thought, is it a dog?
It's a lion, because this is its mane.
It's got a hump.
That's just my dog.
It's just red.
I didn't have time to make legs.
Did you guess Jake?
You got mine.
Is it a snake?
This is a snake! 1 all.
That was a very easy one, Jake.
Yes, thanks.
Oh,
Okay, are you ready?
Not really.
Ready for number 4.
Yeah. Oh my fucking
Come
god.
on. Come on.
Jane! Jane!
The leg. I'm gonna piss myself. What is that? Okay, stop. Go on. Give me long now. What the fuck is that?
It's like he's making bread or something.
This is mine. Okay.
How has he done this?
Is it a pig?
Yes, it's a pig! Curly tail,
Yes,
that's all it
that's
needed.
it.
Just needed that.
Wait.
This is a longer leg.
Is it a leg?
This is a longer leg.
Is that a leg?
I would like to point out its theme. It's themed to me. Themed to me.
Is it a real animal? Is it a real animal?
Yes!
Yeah.
Is it a giraffe?
No.
Is it a
It's a kangaroo. This is meant to be it. I'm actually crying so much.
That looks like a dinosaur head.
That's, yeah, that's what
It's a bit like a
and he did like the
velociraptor.
little arms.
Yeah, they have little arms as well. They're quite long actually, but... Oh god. Oh, is it the last one?
It's 2-1 now to me.
Oh, fuck off.
Yes!
Ready? Are you ready?
Final one. Oh,
Oh, fucking fuck.
Christ, I'm really bad at drawing these two.
Come on, stop playing with it.
There's no distinguishing features for this animal. See, I've made legs for you this time, okay? Could be absolutely anything.
Oh my god, you're gonna have to stop. You're gonna have to
Oh,
stop.
well, that's fine. From the side on.
It ran away.
Is it a horse?
Oh, it's a donkey.
Elephant.
Yes, it's an elephant! It's a great elephant. 3-1. I win.
Excuse me, she guessed a donkey.
So she guessed horse.
This is a good horse.
There is no distinguishing features for
This is
a
a
donkey.
good horse.
That's a fucking great horse after my kangaroo. I think that's really quite good. So I get most points for improvement.
You did.
Ah, dear.
Oh my god.
Well, guys, thanks so much for watching. If you would like to hear more from us three great
you.
guys, then click the link below. There's a podcast down there. It's called What a Good Podcast. Thanks so much. See you later. Lovely to see you.
Bye.
Bye.